All right, you guys, if you have not signed up for your Trump account, now is the time. So I'm going to walk you through this as I sign up on here. So first it says that you can download the app. So this is definitely something that you can do from your phone. Right here it says fill out form 4547. So I'm just going to click on there. It's going to want me to sign in to the IRS. So you should already have one of these accounts. If you don't, definitely make sure to sign up for an ID.me account. If you have like the DMV account, a state account, you could already have an ID.me account. So go ahead and sign in. So you're just going to put your email in right here. You'll click continue. And then it's time to put in your password. Go ahead and continue again. Okay, and I have push notifications on for mine, so I'm just going to do the push notification. Okay, so here is begin form. Next screen, it's going to have you confirm your information. So it's going to be your name, your date of birth, and the last four of your social. And then down here, you're just going to confirm and make sure that it has the correct address. If not, go ahead and put in your address. So your address, city, state, zip, and your phone number. Then throw in your email, and we're going to click next. This next information, you're going to enter in your child's information. So their first name, first name, middle name, last name, and then you'll put their social security number in twice just to confirm, and then put in their date of birth, their relationship to you, which could be son, daughter, grandchild, stepchild, niece, nephew, foster child, etc. So there's definitely enough information on there that you can choose from. And then you'll just verify if their address is the same as yours or not. And if your child was born between January 1st, 2025 and December 31st, 2028, they're also going to get part of that $1,000 pilot program contribution. So you're just going to want to click yes there. If you have any more children, just go ahead and click yes or no here. I do not, so we'll go ahead and move on to the next section. Right now, we're just reviewing and submitting. So we're verifying the correct name, date of birth, social security, address, email, phone number, and then verifying your child's name, date of birth, social, if they're part of the $1,000 election or not. And then you're going to consent and click submit. Once we hit submit, you can see in here that the Trump account request has been submitted. What you're going to do is you're going to check your email. You'll be getting an email soon. I don't know if it will happen right away or not, but you will get an email saying once you're approved, and you can go into your Trump account and use that same ID.me to log in, and you'll be able to start contributing to your Trump account. Again, don't forget let's go there again. Inside trumpaccounts.gov is where you're going to download that app. Right here, make sure to download that app so that you can start contributing, and that contribution that you can do yearly is $5,000. If you did get part of that $1,000, that does not count toward the $5,000 that you can still contribute for 2026. So make sure you still put in that whole $5,000 if it is available to you to put in. Your employer can contribute $500 a year. So any of the children that you have can receive part of that $2,500 as long as your employer does it directly to them. And that is not going to be per child. That's going to be split between all your children, or if you just want to pick a favorite child every year and put it in a certain child's account, you can do it that way as well. But that does count towards your $5,000 limit for the year. So if your employer is doing that max for, let's say you only had one child, for your child of $2,500, you're only going to be able to contribute $2,500 that year. But it's an awesome thing, especially because employers get a deduction for it and you're not paying tax on it, and it goes right into your child's account. Whereas the other way around, when you contribute your $5,000, you've already paid taxes on it and you're not getting a tax deduction for it, but it still goes into your child's account. Another awesome thing that you can do is once your child is 18, it's going to roll over and become a IRA instead. And from there, an amazing thing that we've been talking about is that you can turn that into a Roth IRA the year that they turn 18, because that means that it will be taxed in their tax bracket when they are 18. And of course, a lot of children are not going to be making a lot of money as soon as they turn 18. So there's a good chance that they're going to be in a pretty low tax bracket. If you have any questions, please let us know. We're at bbsi.tax, and our telephone number is 951 444 1885. Thank you guys so much.